Say something about this project. I will upload on my YouTube.
This is high-tech city, which named as Aryabhat. Arya means something innovative, and world means world, which means this world is something innovative. To make it innovative and attractive, we added some extra features like automatic switch on or switch off street light. Let us demonstrate. When the sun arises, the street light automatic switch off. See, and when the sun gets down, it switched on. Okay. So this uses the manual label. Second we have sun tracking solar panel, which moves according to the sun direction. As we know, if the solar is stable, the sun rays will not fall all over the solar panel, and the solar energy will get waste. So we added some extra features like when the sun moves here, it will move according to the direction of sun. Let us demonstrate this. See, we are taking this torch as a demonstration of sun. It will move. It moves slowly as the sun also moves slow. Rotates slow. You can see.
Nice.
If sun is here. Yeah. And for safety measures, we have earthquake alarm and fire alarm. If earthquake comes, the tectonic plates start shaking, and with the shaking of tectonic plates, these springs also shakes and alerts the citizen that earthquake came, so they can escape or they can be alerted. And for fire, we have fire alarm. Give the lighter.
There is lighter.
On it. Sector 2, Sector 3. And now, for the greenery purpose, we added vertical farming. We know that in small land, we can do heavy farming or much large farming by this way. As we know that in the smart city, the people avoid the agriculture. But we here show that we are not avoiding the agriculture. In small land, we are doing the high level of agriculture. Yeah. And here we have wind producer electricity. As the car
Wind
moves,
energy.
As the car moves, it gives high amount of wind. And when it gives winds, it gets rotate and electricity gets generated. See. You can see that the bulb is burning. Here we have concentrated thermal power plant. It basically converts the heat energy of sun into electrical energy by reflecting the sun rays onto the receiver. This receiver gets heated by the rays concentrated on the receiver. The coil gets heated and the coils get heated, and the molten salt present here will go up, and this molten salt will also get heat. And the main feature of molten salt is that it can be heated until 3 days. It is heated. It can't be cooled down before 3 days. So if this get heated, it will come in the steam generator, and that molten salt will convert into steam through the steam generator. And this steam generator will move this steam into condenser, and this condenser will blow the steam turbine. As the turbine moves, the electricity gets generated, and thus this works. Thank you.
Very nice.